Good morning, you guys. This is Miss Optimistic. How are you guys doing today? Hope you are doing wonderful. Diamonds, let's get into it. This first job we have for today is Avantor. Careers at Avantor is a remote position of being a customer service representative. It's based out in Atlanta, Georgia. They have remote positions for Texas, Illinois, and Idaho. It's a full-time position. It was posted yesterday. This job summary goes as this. As a remote customer service representative, you will work from home while holding yourself accountable for your success and proactively supporting our customers. Our organization is committed to growth, development, and supporting advances in the scientific community. We are looking for education. Here we go. High school diploma equivalent. Bachelor's degree is a plus, but it's not required. So you don't have to have a bachelor's degree to start this position as a customer service rep for Avantor. Experience 1 to 3 years are applicable. Experience in a customer relationship type role, sales, military, call center, etc. Intermediate computer skills required. Must be able to work in multiple systems concurrently while utilizing multiple monitors. And collaboration tool, Salesforce, SAP, or other CRM tool experience preferred. Who you are, maintains and attracts potential customers by handling inbound sales and customer communication, calls, emails, click to chat relating to service status or challenges, concerns, issues within the network. These are the roles. This is the role that you have to play as being a CSR, which is customer service rep, and they're telling you the responsibilities and stuff that you have to have and maintain to work this company and work for this job and this specific position. Now you have to have the responsibility of handling inbound sales and customer communications. As I stated before, owns the customer request and experience from initiation to final conclusion, including full follow-up or on open issues, process via computer, all customer requests, and things of that nature. Follow up with sales, suppliers, and customers on any outstanding issues. Looks for the opportunities to provide solutions, makes recommendations on areas for process improvement. Now, how you will thrive and create an impact. Now, these hours are set. We don't do any shift hour bidding. The job is 100% remote. You get to work out of the comfort of your home. We provide all equipment. Yes, Avantor provides all the equipment: computer, keyboard, mouse, and 2 monitors. Training time is paid. Approximately 4 weeks of training, a full month of training, and it's paid. And you guys, this is it. So if you guys want to go ahead and get hired on to Avantor, you can go ahead and apply with Avantor by Googling it and doing research and going to Glassdoor, doing research, and apply for a remote customer service representative. And that'll be all for this video. Hope you guys are having a wonderful morning and have a great day. Happy job hunting. Like, subscribe, and comment down below when you have gotten hired on any of these jobs, and turn on that notification bell, you guys. And I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great one. Bye.